In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Slack. We'll walk through creating a calendar event right from Slack using the Google Calendar app, inviting guests, setting the date and time, sharing the event to a channel, and confirming your RSVP. If you're following along, make sure the Google Calendar app is installed in your Slack workspace and connected to your Google account so your events sync properly. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app. On the left sidebar, look for Apps. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to expand the sidebar or click the plus icon to browse apps. Open the Google Calendar app from there. This brings up your calendar home inside Slack, showing what's on your agenda for the day. If your schedule is empty, you'll see a message for today's schedule. Select that to jump into creating your first event. Otherwise, you can go straight to Create Event. Click Create Event to begin. In the event window, give your meeting a clear title so attendees know what to expect. I'll type Client Meeting as the example title. Short, descriptive titles make it easier to recognize events at a glance in Slack and on your calendar. Next, invite the people who need to be there. Click Invite some guests. In the guest field, start typing the person's name or email, then select the correct match from the suggestions that appear. Add your first guest, then repeat the process to add another guest. If multiple people share similar names, look for their profile details or email domain to be sure you've picked the right person. Now set the date. Click the date field to open the calendar picker and choose the 30th. If you're coordinating across time zones, take a second to confirm you're scheduling in the correct zone for your workspace. This helps avoid accidental early morning or late night invitations. Set the length of the meeting by clicking the duration control. Choose 1 hour. Keeping durations realistic, often 25, 50, or 55 minutes, can build in a small buffer between calls, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick to a full hour. Next, choose a specific time. Click Available Times to see suggestions based on your calendar. From the options presented, select 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you see conflicts, try another slot or adjust the duration before picking the time. Add more context so everyone arrives prepared. Click Description and type a brief agenda, goals, or any links participants should review. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and help the meeting start on track. If you want the event details to appear in a Slack channel, enable sharing. Click the checkbox to share this meeting, then choose where it should post. Select the appropriate destination so the Google Calendar app will publish the event to the right place. From there, pick the channel your team uses for coordination, such as a client's channel. Sharing events to a channel helps stakeholders see the plan, ask questions, or quickly RSVP without having to search their calendars. When everything looks good, title, guests, date, duration, time, description, and sharing settings, click Create. Slack will create the event in Google Calendar, and if you chose a channel, post the event card there automatically. To confirm your attendance from Slack, open the event card in the channel, click the event title, Client Meeting, to expand the details. You'll see an RSVP prompt labeled Going. Click that and choose Yes. Your response will sync back to Google Calendar, keeping everything up to date across tools. If plans change later, you can revisit the event in Slack or Google Calendar to update your response. That's it. You open Slack, launched the Google Calendar app, created a new event with a clear title, invited guests, set the date to the 30th, chose a 1-hour duration at 10 a.m., added a helpful description, shared the event to a relevant channel, created it, and confirmed you're going. With this workflow, you can schedule meetings without leaving Slack, keep your team informed, and make it easy for everyone to respond in one place.